done.
Yeah.
Come on.
All right, good one.
Look.
Cool. Want me to take a picture of it? Okay, show it to me again. Okay, what's your name?
Cameron.
What?
Cameron.
Cameron. Okay, Cameron's showing his green motorcycle.
It is.
Oh, it's Amir's?
Yeah.
Geez, Amir. What are you doing with motorcycles?
Haven't seen my TV stand?
No.
Got like a whole line of them.
Oh, okay.
Every time.
That's a gold thingy, right?
So you better try back. No, something like that. I'm trying not to sleep.
Hey, Miriam, shouldn't you be climbing the other way?
There's one.
No, she's just trying to be like us.
Girl!
What girl? Oh, did you in the game?
Yeah, that's what he's always good at. That's not fair.
Do you have anything important to say?
Yeah, don't point that at me. It's loaded.
Slime dunk!
Want to see?
See what?
Neat, eh? And then I can
Oh my
zoom you in. Woohoo! Woohoo! No words of wisdom, eh?
Okay, use this for the brake. No, like this. Yeah, that.
Don't put them on. Samina, take them off. Because I said so. Take them off and help them out. Well, can you even at least walk into Nanny's before? Take them off or you're sitting in the van. Start listening to the parent. Yeah?
Here, I've got you on video.
Quiet, Gina.
Hello, Nanny.
Hello, Miriam.
Hello, Nanny.
Hey.
Funny girl. Hello.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah?
Oh, this is good.
Down.
Look at the hair on her tail. Looks dark.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, Sarah.
Now I'm wearing my teddy bear necklace.
Oh, that's pretty.
You give it to me.
Yeah, it's very nice. And we didn't even break it.
Mine broke.